Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can enable sticky header in Shopify Dawn theme. So what you'll need to do is basically go to your Shopify control panel, then click on online store and then themes, and then just go and click right here on the edit theme. Then select your header, and right here on the right side menu you will see the sticky header. If you don't see this menu, what you can do is zoom out a little bit and then you'll see this. And here on the sticky header you can select on scroll up always or the reduce logo size, and then just let's say on scroll up. If I click on always, I can see that if I scroll, this will be now on my screen. So you can check that on the store like this. As you can see, it shows and it sticks on the screen. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.